Hi, I'm Lauren from LSP Actions. In this really quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add our butterfly overlays to your images using Evoto AI. Evoto is not designed for overlays, but I've figured out a way you can do it, and I'm going to show you the tips and tricks in here so you can add these straight in using Evoto. The rest of our tutorials show you how to do it in Photoshop, but I've had quite a few requests for Evoto, so I'm going to show you how. So let's dive in. The first thing you want to do after downloading from the LSP Actions website is locate the butterflies in your Downloads folder and unzip. You have the LSP Butterfly Overlay Bundle, the Photoshop Actions for Photoshop, and then you get your bonus Tiny Mix. You need to right click and hit Extract All on Windows. On a Mac you can double click or use Archive Utility. Once you've unzipped, you'll be able to see the butterflies. For this tutorial, we're working on the tiny butterflies, the LSP tiny butterflies. This is just more butterflies in the scene. These are great if your subject is smaller in the scene and you can't resize. Photoshop, of course, you can resize, so you can use the full butterfly overlay pack here in your Photoshop and Canva editing. For Evoto, you can use the bonus tinies. So all you need to do in Evoto is come up here to the top right of your screen. Let me just go onto a normal for now. After you've done your editing, whether you're using our Evoto presets or you're using your own, you can edit the gallery. Come up here to the right and click on the background adjustments. Open up drop down background changer. So Evoto is made for background replacement, but our PNG overlays will work in Evoto as a workaround to come in as an overlay, and I'm going to show you how. So you click on My Backdrops and hit the little plus icon, locate the tiny butterflies. What you need to do is just hold down Shift and select them all and hit Open. Now they're loading in, there's quite a few, so I wouldn't click on anything or carry on your editing or anything like that until they all loaded in Evoto. It's nearly done. And then all you need to do, this is the fun part, is click on them and they will appear in your scene. If you hit more, you can see them all, and you can just go through these and decide which one you'd like to add to your image. I'm going to go for, let's go for the white ones, just because I know you're going to be able to see them really well, even if you're watching this on a small screen. Now what you might be wondering is, how do you edit this? They should go in just fine, but what if one's right over your subject or hiding behind your subject? If you notice as well that they have any weird outlines, these don't. I can't get it to do them, so I can't show you an example, but here where it says fill mode, you can just play with these if you wanted to, especially if you've got a portrait image, which I'll show you in just a moment. You can take the opacity of them down. I don't recommend really doing this, but if you want to take them down a tiny touch, they'll blend with your image just a little bit more. The size, you can make them larger. You can bring them back down to 0. That's why I've included tiny butterflies, so they start off as 0, because you can't make them any smaller in Evoto. You can position them vertically and horizontally to get them in just the right place for your image. And here's how you mask. So you can see here, this little butterfly here is behind her hair. So you come up onto the pencil icon where it says manual tuning. And remember, for the butterflies, have brush. The plus brush means add. The minus brush means take away when it comes to the butterflies. So I'm on plus. You see these two here. If I brush that over, they're showing. If I hit minus and I brush it over, they've disappeared. So any butterflies that aren't serving your scene that you want to take away, you can just brush them off. Any that you do want to show, you can just brush them back on. Perfect, and hit OK. And we're done. And then you can go ahead and export your image. You can export it with, and you can export it without. It will only cost you 1 credit. A credit in Evoto is an export. Let me show you on this portrait image, a beautiful portrait image here by Anna Brand, absolutely gorgeous. So I'm going to click on one of the white butterflies to bring them in. But we'll go for that one. I'm going to make them a little larger. You want to find the most in focus butterfly matches the right size for your subject. And we can just move them around exactly where we'd like them to be. So I'm just using the horizontal. You don't drag and drop like you would in Photoshop. We just bring them in and take the opacity down a touch. And we see how center alignment, you can have center fill, they'll look bigger on a portrait image, or stretch fill. You don't want stretch fill when you're working with portraits, so I would ignore that one. I'm going to go for center alignment because that makes them look smaller, and just play with them. Beautiful. And you can click about because it is literally one click. You can decide which ones you want to show in your image. Really very, very pretty. And you can just choose the right one for your scene. Beautiful. So I'm going to choose, I think, one of the fantasy glass. I'm going to hit back a little larger and just play around with the placement. And there we go. I'm going to hit mask and just take this one away from the foot area, so I make sure I'm on the minus brush, and hit OK. And we're good to go. You can play with that opacity as well. Beautiful. So that is how you add butterfly overlays using Evoto AI. Of course, for best results, I recommend Photoshop. But if you're working in Evoto now, I've added the tiny butterflies in as a bonus, so you can do this. Any questions, do post in the LSP Actions editing group for photographers. These are so pretty. The only problem is deciding which one you'd like, but the great thing about Evoto, which is one thing I do prefer, is that you can just click through them like this to quickly choose the right one for your image and then tweak a little with the positioning. Absolutely beautiful. I hope you love them. You can grab these 110 butterfly overlays from the LSP Actions website. Enjoy! I'm Lauren. Thanks for watching.